أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله. Good morning from outside the mosque after I had lots of visitors last night, including being brought some tea and cake. Just had my first visit of the morning. She was sitting watching me as I ate my cereal and I felt a bit weird, so I offered her some of Ali's bag of nuts and biscuits, and in return she brought me some figs off the tree. Into Marrakesh today. Shukran! What a friendly and welcoming village. This never comes out well when I try and film it, but there's a lovely tail breeze blowing through those olive trees. I maybe could have seen about camping out the back of this servo, but I think I was very lucky with where I ended up. This one looks abandoned. I also could have camped here, I suppose, but I wouldn't have felt as safe. Conditions are great again today. Lovely tailwind still, quite overcast, hazy sky, smooth road surface for now, although there are construction signs around, so that might not last. This town, Tamort, it's very strange. It seems to be purpose-built based on the grid layout I see on the map, but there's nothing on the main road. It's all around. It's a big town, but nothing on the main artery through. Finally found a cafe visible from the road. Out from Marrakesh, and I've just been overcharged for mint tea, and I've also been reading about how phone theft is a problem here. So as I approach a touristy area, time to put the phone away and be a bit careful. This is the grandest approach to any Moroccan city yet. السلام عليكم.
السلام. مسدود الطريق من هنا.
طمالق. طمالق؟
رياض طرمالة.
رياض طمالق. هذا؟ اوكي شكرا. Hello. Hello. No, not on my bed. Free cat with every dawn bed. Shukran. Harara. These are the stalls that come out every single night and completely fill up the square here. Right now it's 40 something degrees. I can't keep count. It's too hot, whatever it is.
Yes, c'est argan.
C'est la ligne de moton.
Thank you.
This is a natural.
Whoa! I've not consented to this.
On desert, come like this. Look.
Oh yeah. My shoes have become a slippy hazard, so I'm getting new soles on my better shoes. There goes the glue.
It's tiny.
Pretty skillful not to tip the sand into the concrete.
出山。